I'm Congresswoman Stephanie Murphy, and I fled a country where political violence was how political transitions were made. And I've never lived a day in this country where I haven't been proud to live in a democracy, to have the freedoms that this country offers. But I also understand I have a responsibility to protect our democracy. And so it broke my heart to be in this building on January 6th and see the kind of political violence that occurred in the country I fled and in countries that I worked on when I was at the Department of Defense, happening here in our country. And so I look forward to executing my responsibility on this committee to understand fully exactly what happened on January 6th, what is motivating domestic terrorism, and how we build a better whole-of-government approach to addressing domestic terrorism, and how we secure the citadel of democracy here at this Capitol. Thank you.